If you're watching this video, I'm going to assume you want one of three things. You want more income, you want more time, or perhaps you want more income and time. Let's face it, time management and time blocking, none of that is stuff that's exciting or sexy that we're just learning for the fun of it. The reality is we all want to have a better life. We want to have more income, we want to have more free time for our friends and family, and we want to feel secure and have mental clarity. And that's what time blocking can do for you. So I'm really excited that you're here today, and make sure to stay till the end of this video because I have a special offer for you. Also, if you're an entrepreneur and you like videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. Hi, I'm Kirsten Graham with Six Figure Business Coaching. Along with my partner, Jeannie Wilson, we help women start and build successful businesses. And we're so excited that you're here today. Time management and goal setting are actually two of my favorite topics. And today I've got some great tips and tools for you on how to get the most out of your day so that you can earn as much money as possible and work as little time as possible. Doesn't that sound amazing? So let's jump right in. So what is time blocking? Time blocking is the practice of planning out every moment of your day in advance and dedicating specific time blocks for certain tasks and responsibilities. While a standard to-do list tells you what you need to do, time blocking tells you when you're going to do it. Now, I have to be honest with you. When I read the quote and it said you plan out every moment of your day, I was kind of like, no, thank you. And that's not how I use time blocking. I use time blocking to plan my work day. So I block out time between 9 and 4 to get my work done. And then the rest of my time is free time and I don't necessarily plan it out. So that's how I use it. You're welcome to use it any way you like. Now that we know what time blocking is, I'm going to go over the top 10 reasons why time blocking works and what you'll get out of it. Number 1, it keeps you focused on your top priorities. Number 2, you work distraction free. Number 3, you realize how long tasks take you and become more efficient. Number 4, it promotes deep work, or what's often referred to as flow. And this is simply the process of being able to work on something that requires a lot of thought and to be able to master it without interruptions. So that's what deep work or flow means. Number 5, it combats procrastination. Number 6, it allows you to easily juggle client work and projects. Number 7, it keeps you out of that reactive mode because you're being proactive. Number 8, it makes it easier to say no. Number 9, you stop being busy and you start being productive. Number 10, mental clarity. Number 10, mental clarity is the most important to me. If I feel mentally clear, I can accomplish anything. I make good choices. I don't make mistakes. That's why I love mental clarity. Out of these 10 benefits, which one do you find most attractive when it comes to time blocking? I'd love to hear in the comments below. Before I really jump into sharing some stories with you about how we use time blocking and how our clients use it, I also want to talk to you about task batching. And I'm going to read the definition for that right now. Basically, task batching is where you group a long list of similar tasks together and complete during a dedicated time period with no interruptions. This cuts down on the time it takes for your brain to switch and refocus between different tasks. In my opinion, if you're batching tasks and you're using time blocks, you're going to become so efficient, you're going to be able to have more hours in the day for client work or to spend with your family. First of all, time blocks. If you're a social media manager, like my business partner, Jeannie, you primarily have 3 things to focus on: your client work, marketing your business and prospecting for more clients, and then running your business. So as you can see right there, you have 3 clear priorities, and then you can break those down into smaller priorities for batching your work. So for example, if you have 10 clients and you do their email marketing, let's say you do Facebook and Instagram for those 10 clients, there are a couple of different ways you can batch the work. Number 1, you can just work on one client at a time. So you may book a 2-hour block of time to take care of Mr. Smith's marketing. So you're going to take care of his Facebook, Instagram, and his email newsletter in that block of time. Another way you can do it is you can say, okay, I want to get 5 of my email marketing newsletters done this morning, and I'm going to do 5 tomorrow morning. So you're staying focused on one task, which is creating email marketing, but you're working on 10 different clients over the course of 2 days. There are many ways to batch tasks. The trick is to make sure it keeps you in the same headspace. You don't feel like you're bouncing from one thing to the other. So if it's easier for you to stay focused working on one client across multiple platforms, do it that way. If you find it's just easier to jump in and do Facebook for all of your clients and Instagram for all of your clients, then do it that way. It may take some trial and error. Try it both ways to see what works best for you. I highly recommend setting aside a block of time to do your admin work. I do it every Friday morning. This is where you would send out your invoices, you would do all of your bookkeeping, you would just take care of the task that you need to do as far as running your business. It's also important for you to block out time to do your marketing and prospecting. These are the things that always get put on the back burner. But if you're looking to grow your business, you want to make sure you're blocking out time to run your business and to market your business. So how does time blocking help you make more money? Well, number one, it's going to make you more efficient. So in the example of you have a client and you do their email marketing, their Instagram, and their Facebook, it may take you 2 hours to do that work initially. But over time, you'll get into a system and a rhythm, and hopefully you can cut down on the amount of time it takes. So perhaps it'll only take you an hour. That frees you up time to take on another client. When you batch tasks and you start doing them consistently this way, you become more efficient and you work faster. This is going to allow you to have more free time and to make more money. We often overestimate how long it takes us to do things, or we underestimate how long it takes us to do things. But the reality is we never really track it. By using time blocks, you're going to clearly see how long each task takes. And you're going to start asking yourself, how can I do this differently? How can I do this so it'll save me time? What can I do to be more efficient? And you're just going to keep working on that, and you're going to find that it will really pay off. It's going to free you up so that, again, you can take on more clients, you can earn more income, or you can just have more free time. It's not going to happen overnight. So I highly encourage you to work on this process. Give it 6 months and keep tweaking it and changing it just a little until you get it the way that works best for you. We hear from so many of our clients that time blocking and batching tasks was a game changer for them. Most of them said it wasn't easy, but they all have a reason that they love it the most. Like I said, mental clarity was mine. In the beginning of this video, I told you we'd have a special offer for you, and I actually have 2. First of all, if you're looking to start or scale your social media marketing business, I'd love to have a conversation with you. In the description below, there's a link where you can book a discovery call. There's also a link to the essential resources 6-figure entrepreneurs use daily. This has all kinds of wonderful tools in it you can use to run your business. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. And until I see you again, dream big.